Jack of all trades here, guys. Quick guide for you on how to fix this error. Let me just show you. We're trying to create a new drive here, going next, and we get this error which says that the partition will be converted to dynamic, but because this is our boot partition for Windows, it will give us an error, not enough disk space, or it might be a different error. So how to fix this? Let's open up command prompt, go on Windows, CMD, right click, run as administrator. Let's start with diskpart command, then list disk. We're going to see 3 drives here. So we have disk 0 right here, which is this one. Then we have disk 1, which is our drive where the Windows is, the one that's giving us the problem. And then we have disk 2, which is our virtual drive. We don't care about that one. So let's select drive 1, the one that we have a problem with. Select disk 1. Now, let's list the partitions now. Go list partition. We can see we have 4 partitions. Those are the 4 partitions here. We have 1, 2, 3. We don't count unallocated, and then 4. So what we have to do here is we have to delete the recovery partition because it is the one causing the problem. So write in select partition 4 in my case. In your case, it might be different. Make sure you're looking for the recovery partition. Now with the partition select, we're going to write here delete partition override. There you go. Now, let's try to create a new drive again. Next, change to G, next, and finish. There you go, guys. Jack of all trades. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.